Hi, welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Today we talk about online scams. I have a new phone. I want to be safe online. This is my friend Jonathan. He will help me. Let's go. Hi, Jonathan.
Hi, Mila. How are you?
I'm good, but a little nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know about online safety.
Don't worry, I can help you.
Thank you. Where do I start?
First, your phone. Always use a lock.
A lock, like a password?
Yes, a password or fingerprint.
Okay, what about apps? Where do I get them?
Only use official app stores.
Official stores. Like what?
Like Google Play or Apple's App Store.
I understand. What about websites?
Look for HTTPS in the address.
HTTPS? What is that?
It means the website is safe. There's a lock symbol too.
Okay, what if a website asks for my password?
Never give your password.
Never?
Never. That is a scam.
Oh no. What about emails?
Be careful with emails. Don't click strange links.
Why?
Bad links can have viruses.
A virus? How?
It can steal your information. Use antivirus software.
An antivirus? For a phone?
Yes, it's important. It protects you.
I see. What about shopping online?
Buy from big, famous websites.
How do I know a website is good?
Read reviews from other people.
Reviews? Where?
On the website, look for stars and comments.
Okay, and how do I pay?
Use safe methods like a credit card.
Not cash?
No, online you use cards or PayPal.
What is PayPal?
It's a safe online payment service.
All right, what if I lose my phone?
Use Find My Phone apps. They can locate it.
Really? How does it work?
You install the app. If you lose your phone, you can see its location online.
That's amazing!
Yes, it's very useful.
What about social media?
Be careful there too. Don't share personal details.
Like my address?
Yes, or your phone number. Don't share with strangers.
Okay, what if someone messages me about money?
Ignore it. It's probably a scam.
Even if they say I won a prize?
Especially then. If it's too good to be true, it's a scam.
I see. It's a lot to remember.
Just remember the basics. Lock, official stores, HTTPS, no passwords, read reviews.
Lock, official, HTTPS, no passwords, reviews. Did I get it?
Perfect. You are a fast learner.
Thank you, Jonathan. You helped me a lot.
You're welcome, Mila. Just be careful and ask if you're not sure.
I will. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye, Mila. Good luck.
So, that was our talk. We talked about online safety. Lock your phone, use official stores, look for HTTPS, never give your password, read reviews before buying. Now I want to hear from you. How do you stay safe online? Do you use an antivirus? Write your tips in the comments below. If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe for more simple dialogues. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.